In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Choose Google Password Manager. Select any password you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!